Hi everyone, welcome to Lare Solutions tutorial. In this video we want to look at the features of Microsoft PowerPoint or presentation packages. Every application environment has its own unique features. So in Microsoft PowerPoint we have the following features. The templates are already made designs or presentations that you will need to add some features to or change few information in the environment in the file. Then you have your full presentation ready. Then that means it is a presentation file that can be customized to fit into what you desire. Then next we have the slides. The slides are the paper that holds your presentation information. You can see that on the screen. The arrow is pointing to the slide, which is that white paper is pointing to. Then we have the notes. This is where additional information that the presenter needs during his or her presentation is stored. So when you look down on the picture displayed, you see click to add notes. That is where you add your note as a presenter, and that information will be displayed on the presenter view when you are making your presentation to the audience. The audience will not see the notes. You are the only one that will be seeing it on your own screen, that's on your computer. Next is the splitter bars. The splitter bars, they are bars that separate between the slide thumbnails or slide tab and the notes area. Now this is the notes area where you have click to add notes. This is the slide thumbnail. We have 4 slide thumbnail displaying on this screenshot. Now the work of the slide, the splitter bar is to separate between this and this, and also between the click to add notes and the slide. That is the work of the splitter bar. Then number 5, we have the slide tab. The slide tab, there are thumbnails representing each slide in the presentation. You can see here, we can see the arrow pointing to the 4 thumbnails which are displayed in the screenshots of the Microsoft PowerPoint environment. So this screenshot is showing us now 4 thumbnails, and the arrows are pointing to the 4 thumbnails. They represent each of the slides they are displaying right now. So if you click on any of them, the information on that slide will be displayed on the slide here in the middle. Now number 6, the ribbon. The ribbon is the all command group put together. So the combination of all the command group is what we refer to as the ribbon. Then we have the placeholders. The placeholders are slide content holders. They help you to hold content, the content of your slide. Without the placeholders, you won't be able to place any information on your slide. Don't forget, in a package like Microsoft Word, you don't need a placeholder. All you just need to do is to click on the paper and start typing. But in Microsoft PowerPoint, you need to use a placeholder. Without a placeholder, you won't be able to place a text on the paper. Now in Microsoft Word, if you open the environment, there are some areas that you might not be able to click on and type. In those areas you will need placeholders. That is why you make use of your text box. So with the use of your text box, you can type on areas of the paper that you won't be able to type on, or it's difficult to click to type on. But in Microsoft PowerPoint, everything is done with the use of a placeholder. There's no area on the paper that you can just click and type on. So, and if you look at the screenshot display, you see click to add title. That is the first placeholder. The second one that asks click to add text, and you can see some six icons in the middle of the placeholder. So meaning that on this slide we have 2 placeholders. One is just to insert the title, while the other one is to insert text. It can also insert 6 other objects, like table, picture, chart. It can insert a clip art, a video, or smart art. Now let's move to the next feature. The next feature is the quick access bar. The quick access bar is a small bar that is located on the left hand side of the title bar. This is the title bar that represents that contains the presentation 1 and Microsoft PowerPoint, meaning the title bar shows you the name of your presentation and the name of the package, which is Microsoft PowerPoint. Look at the arrow pointing to the quick access bar up here. So the quick access bar is used to store some icons which you frequently access or which you would frequently need in the environment. You can always add to the quick access bar, you can add icons to it, and you can remove icons to it from it. All you just need to do is to click on this little small button beside the bar here, then you see customize, select customize, then you will be able to remove or add any icon to the quick access bar. Then 9, we have the command group. The command group is talking about a group of command buttons. If we look at the home tab here, we have the clipboard. This is a command group containing paste, cut, copy, and format painter. Under the slide command group, we have the new slide, we have the layout, we have the reset, and we have the section, and so on and so forth. Then next we have the command buttons. The command buttons are individual commands found inside the command group. So in the clipboard here we have 4 command buttons. We have the paste, cut, copy, and format painter. In the slide command group here we have 4 command buttons. That's the new the slides, the new slide, the layout, reset, and the section, just like that to the end of the ribbon. Then next we have the scroll bars. The scroll bars are bars that control the movement of your slide or your slide tab, maybe up, down, up, down. So then we have the ruler in this environment. The rulers are used for measurement, and we have the horizontal ruler and the vertical ruler. This is the horizontal ruler and this is the vertical ruler. Then also in this environment we have the zoom button and the slider. The zoom button and the slider, the one in the middle is the slider, while the plus and the minus, they are the zoom buttons. So when you slide this, it does the same work. You can slide either forward or backward. That means towards the plus or towards the minus. The minus is to magnify, while the plus is to magnify. So it will help you to magnify your view. That means that is the view of your slide. Then the next are the view buttons. We have them down here. These view buttons are used to determine how your application package will look like. So in the next presentation I'll be talking more about the different views that we have in Microsoft PowerPoint. Thank you very much.